So I am going to eat the spiciest chip in the world. So this is gonna be hard. And you are gonna freak out once you see my reaction. In 3, 2, 1. Oh man, that's spicy. Now I'm gonna eat the whole chip. Not spicy. Not spicy. You must think I'm a superhero. I'm not. I just have a hot heart. I ate the whole thing. No reaction.